Happy Wednesday, guys. Let's go over our schedule for the day. We have a couple new things, so I want you to really pay attention. You might even have to replay this video a couple of times. Lit circles, remember you're working on one-pagers, Incredible Journey, and My Side of the Mountain, as well as Sign of the Beaver. Make sure you have done your AR test for it, and if you have finished your one-pager, you're working on Dreamscape, okay? So make sure on Dreamscape that you're working for about 30 minutes on there, as we're keeping track of that as well. Refugee, you're doing chapters 46 through 50. Then, Science Social. The first thing you're going to do is check out your score from your Liberties Kids quiz on Schoology and make any corrections by adding a comment into the document and then resubmitting it to us so that we can see that you added a comment. Okay, so you're able to do that by adding comments right in here. So if you click add a comment, see where I'm doing that right up here, you'd be able to do that right in your Liberty Kids quiz. Okay. The next thing is kind of fun. We're going to be doing Save Our Earth Hyperdoc and learn what you can do to save the Earth. You're going to read some articles and watch some videos. It's going to be about 20 minutes or more, and then create a seesaw post of how you will make a change to protect our planet. And there's more directions in the Hyperdoc that we have. Okay, so here's our Hyperdoc for Earth Day. Here's your directions of what you're going to do. Step 1, 2, 3, what you need to do in Seesaw, and then 4, how you share it in Seesaw. Okay, so there's some really fun things in here for you to explore and learn about, and then come up with an idea of how you're going to help the Earth. Then we are moving into writing day 2. So that is in Schoology, right? You go to ELA, then you click on personal narratives, and we are in day 2. So in day 2, you need to watch these 2 videos right here. And then here is an example of what you're going to have at the end of the day. So you're going to have just one mountain picture like it has here. I have 2 examples on here to give you some different options. You're going to write the title of your story, and then you're going to tell us the introduction. So what's the setting? Who are the characters? What's the rising action? What are things that are starting to happen? Climax, what's the big thing that happens in your story? So my scorpion story, the climax was when we had the scorpion under the glass case and we were ready to kill it and gonna slap it down, right? That was the climax. And then what is the falling action? So what is that ending to the story? So we killed the scorpion, we had to clean it up, right? And kind of the sense of relief, as well as the resolution. What is the conclusion of your story? Okay, so you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 text boxes that you're going to add to the background. So these are just some other students' examples of what you're going to have. Where you're going to do it is you click on the pre-write plot mountain as it's opening, and then you are going to hit the edit button. Again, yours is going to look different than ours, but over here you're going to hit the edit button. You're going to add those text boxes. When you are done, please, please, please make sure to hit the submit button so that it notifies us that you are done with your day 2. Some of us struggled on day 1, the brainstorming. Again, your activity is in this folder is where we wanted you to keep it, and the Google Doc was right here. So you click on here, and this is where you list your 5 options for writing your story. And you're going to put that right in there. Okay. The other thing we have today is, remember, small groups are meeting. Small groups are super important for this, because this is where we are kind of reviewing before our test or quiz and math on surface area and volume. So make sure you click into this small group and you know if you are meeting Wednesday afternoons, so that we can have a chance to chat and see you, because we miss you and we want to help you be ready for this quiz that we have on Thursday. As always, guys, reach out to us. Let us know how we can help you. Go step by step on this. Make sure you're getting caught up in any work, as well as we don't have school on Friday or Monday. So that's going to be a great time to get yourselves all the way caught up, as a lot of these things that we're doing this week are things that are going directly on your report card for your one-pagers and your quizzes. Okay, so we want to make sure that you're getting all this done and asking any questions that you have. Okay. All right, reach out to us. Let us know what we can do for you to help you. We'll see you in small groups. Sign of the Beaver, we'll see you in the morning. All right, guys. See you later.